The mighty X-Maxx is a truck that needs no real introduction. It's out of the box, it's very durable, reasonably fast, and a lot of fun. That being said, a lot of people like to modify their trucks, and once you start modifying it, a few weaknesses tend to crop up. One of the biggest ones is the stock gearing. The stock gears are fairly fragile and they tend to break and strip pretty quickly once you start adding power and weight to your truck. So a lot of people start doing upgrades, such as running mod 1.5 gears, a belt drive, etc. One of the big limitations to these upgrades is you get a custom shaft with whatever type of gearing or belt drive you choose, and you're basically stuck with the size of that shaft and whatever gears or belt ratios are available for that shaft. That all changes today with BowHouse RC's new 8mm Spur gear shaft. What this shaft allows you to do is allows you to take any 8mm shaft compatible pinion gear and run it as a spur gear. This really opens up possibilities. You have mod 1 gears in basically every size you would want. There's also mod 1.5 gears in plenty of ratios as well. And it's as simple as replacing your stock shaft with this shaft, putting the gear on, lining everything up, and you're good to go. If you're not familiar with BowHouse RC, they make a few different parts for the X-Maxx, and they've been making parts for a lot of other vehicles for a long time now. They make good quality parts, and I expect this shaft to be no different. I'm going to put a link in the description to a review I did of their X-Maxx motor mount. I think their current motor mount design is the best option you have for upgraded motors for the X-Maxx. Having the motor tied down in the front and rear takes all the flex out of the system on that end and really helps save your gears. Alright, let me get this put together and we'll take a look at what it looks like, put it in the truck, and then we're going to go out and do some bashing. Alright, so there you go, all assembled. Everything's nice and tight, fits perfectly, didn't have any issues putting it together. Want to make a quick mention, make sure that when you are putting gears on that have grub screws, that you clean the threads on the grub screw and on the gear thoroughly with brake cleaner or rubbing alcohol. Allow that to dry. Apply your blue Loctite. Tighten securely. If you have 2 grub screws, put the grub screw that's on the flat in first, get it snug, then tighten this one down, then finish tightening this one down, making sure that it's even on the flat. If it gets off a little bit, it'll end up getting loose and you'll end up tearing things up. Then most importantly, give it 24 hours to cure. If you don't give it 24 hours to cure, it's gonna come loose on you. Alright guys, I'm gonna put this in the truck and we'll see you outside. But before we go, make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell because I'm going to be doing a giveaway soon, and we got a lot more cool stuff coming up for the X-Maxx. We're going to be doing a review of the new M2C under chassis brace as well as some parts from Vidavon, so you don't want to miss that. Alright guys, I'm going to put this in the truck and we'll see you outside. After a couple of packs of hard bashing with the BowHouse RC 8mm Spur shaft, everything's holding up great, gears look awesome, And I think this one's a winner. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.